In the Bible, Elijah called upon God to send fire from heaven, consuming the altar and proving his power. This divine fire, while destructive, also purifies and renews. In grassland ecosystems, fire plays a similar role. It clears dead vegetation, allowing new growth to flourish. Just as Elijah's fire demonstrated God's might, natural fires rejuvenate the land, fostering biodiversity. This biblical narrative teaches us that destruction can lead to renewal, a lesson echoed in nature. Embrace the cycles of life, for through them, we find growth and transformation.